Yung impeachment ni Bongbong Marcos, ni Attorney Andre De Jesus, nakakuha ng ng suporta. 3591, ito yung sa Makabayan Black. 35 ang nag-yes, siyam lang ang nag-object, isa lang ang nag-abstain. Ang nag-object, sila si Abante, si Chua, yung mga kagrupo niya. Kaya, nanalo yung maraming kongresista. Yan, kabibig. Yung ang drama ni Abante is, nag-walk out siya. Sabi niya, it is very clear that there is insufficiency in form of BBM impeachment cases. Ganun ha. Very clear po iyan. Therefore, realizing that this is actually an exercise in futility and waste of people's money. Waste daw of people's money. Pero yung impeachment ni BP Sara, maraming mga congressman na nagsasabi na hindi waste of money yun. Kasi may mga congressman na tumatanggap ng pera na time. So kami pa rin ang alkansi nito. Ang taong bayan. Ngayon iniisip ni Abante na kung ipagpatuloy itong impeachment ni BBM, sayang lang to. Nagsasayang lang tayo ng pera ng taong bayan. Yung kan BP Sara, milyones, bilyones ang nakamkam nyo. Sabi ng ibang kongresista. Diba? Kaya 3591, 35 ang yes. At yung iba, ay naku. Kaya nag-walk out sabi dito, si Abante. Tingnan nyo ang pag-walk out ni Abante, ha? Alam mo na, sabi nga, script yan, scripted yan, Abante. Bahala na kung scripted ka, bibig. Basta nag-walk out siya.
Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
Sino ang yung hindi in favor? Ay, ito, hindi siya. Hindi in favor si Ay, ito Tingnan mo ang hindi in favor, si Chua, sino ba to? Abante, si Kunghon, at sino ba to? Hindi ko kilala. Ito yung sino ba to? Ito yung nag-motion para impeach si BP Sara. Ito yun. Yan, sila.
Those who abstain, please raise your right hand.
Si Rodriguez, nag-object pala si Rodriguez, no? Abstain. Sinong abstain? Si Adjong. Si Adjong nag-abstain. Bakit?
Comsec, the vote, please.
So marami ang mga kongresistang nag-yes na may substance yung yung impeachment complaint. Wala ka. Naku yan. Sinasabi natin. Ito na. Ilan ba? At dito kabibig, I don't know kung manifestation ba or nag-o-object si Abante. Parang magsalita siya kabibig pa.
With 35 in favor, 9 against, and 1 abstain. The chair declares the Massa et al. Complaint sufficient in form.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Abante.
It is very clear that there is insufficiency in form. Very clear po yan. And I'm so glad for the rest of my colleagues that supported my objection. And therefore, realizing that this is actually an exercise in futility and a waste of the people's money. I therefore would like to walk out of this hearing right now.
Tumawa na lang si
The manifestation is noted. We have concluded the determination in form of both the Jesus complaint and Massa et al. Complaint. If there are any other matters...
Nag-walk out. Bakit mag-walk out? Pwede naman hindi mag-walk out. Anong klaseng drama yan, Abante? Para ma-interview. Ay, nako, ang daming mga kadramahan nila. Ay, nako, waste of people's tax money. Ito yung explanation ni Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jet Misay na sufficient inform ang kanyang inihang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at dapat lumusod sa susunod na hakbang ng proceedings. Si Misay ay nag-endorso ng unang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na inhain ni Atty. Andre De Jesus. So pakinggan natin ang kanyang explanation kung bakit sufficient informed.
We are recognizing Representative Misay for his endorsement of the impeachment complaint of Attorney De Jesus.
Good morning, Madam Chair, honorable members of the committee, and all the esteemed guests. Article 2 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution states that sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them. Bilang kinatawan ng mamayang Pilipino at bilang House Deputy Minority Leader, humaharap tayo ngayon para sa konstitusyonal na proseso sa pananagutan ng mataas na opisyal ng bansa, na ngayon ay may alegasyon ng graft and corruption, culpable violation of the Constitution, at betrayal of public trust. Bago po ang lahat, nais kong bigyan diin na sa magiging impeachment proceedings na ito ay maging pundasyon nawa ang tama at patas sa proseso. Ito rin ang pangunahin kong intensyon kung kaya't aking inendorso ang complaint na ito, ang madala sa nararapat na forum at dumaan sa wastong proseso. Tayo ay sumusunod at susunod sa bawat tamang prosesong idineklara ng batas. Unang-una, tiwala ako na ang impeachment complaint na aking inendorso ay sufficient in form. Batay sa ating rules, kaugnay sa pag-evaluate ng impeachment complaint, ang isang impeachment complaint para maging sufficient in form must be verified by an affidavit that the complainant has read the complaint and that the allegations therein are true and correct of his personal knowledge or based on authentic records. This can also be checked sa page 13 ng nasabing complaint or sa verification page. Clearly, ang complaint na ito ay verified by an affidavit executed by Attorney Andre De Jesus, stating that he caused its preparation, that he has read and understood its contents, and that the allegations therein are true and correct based on his personal knowledge or on authentic documents. In the same affidavit attached to the complaint, Attorney De Jesus further swears that all factual allegations are supported by evidence and that this complaint is not filed to harass, delay, or otherwise increase the cost of litigation. Accordingly, para mag-comply sa formal requirements, ini-endorso ko ang impeachment complaint through a resolution of endorsement, duly signed and sworn to before the Honorable House Secretary General. Therefore, Madam Chair, in view of the foregoing, it is respectfully submitted that the impeachment complaint is sufficient in form and that it be allowed to proceed to the next stage of the proceedings. Thank you, Madam Chair.
So, mag-proceed na yan kasi nakakuha yan ng ilang bang puntos, ilan ba ang anong tawag dito? Ilan ba ang nag-agree sa unang impeachment ni BBM? The House Committee on Justice has voted 46-1-1, 46 ang nag-yes, isa lang ang nag-no, tapos isang abstain. The impeachment complaint versus President Bongbong Marcos filed by Attorney Andre De Jesus is sufficient in form. Ayan, sufficient in form. Sige, ready the trumpets of President Tito Sotto to make you all happy. Siguro po dapat malaman ng komunata kung anong ibig sabihin ng sufficient in form. Sa aking understanding po, ang minito ay dumaan at sumunod sa tamang proseso ng pag-file ng impeachment complaint ang complainant at ang nag-endorso, and not necessarily mean na may weight or bearing na po ang said complaint. Kindly walk me through if my understanding is correct. Salamat po. So, nagtanong si Bernardo De Jesus. Sufficient in form means that a document, pleading, or legal document meets all the necessary technical, structural, and procedural requirements established by a law or regulation, regardless of whether its content is true or convincing. It signifies that the document is properly arranged, formatted, and contains all required and formal elements. Ayun pala. Sufficient form, in form meaning po he is eligible for impeachment filed against him. buti na lang may ganitong klaseng tao na nagpapaliwanag on. Tama. Sufficient legal term means to be considered valid. So bakit nang inarte si tawag dito, si Abante? Sabi ng iba, nag-inarte yan kasi parang parang mas maraming makakalusot na mga dokumento na talagang totoo yung sa Makabayan Black compare sa una. Yung sa una, I think bumoto ba si Abante dyan or hindi? So yan, kabibig. So anong mangyari after this one, kabibig? So mangyayari dyan, mga kabibig, after na, kasi lahat ng complaint ni BBM is sufficient. So ang mangyayari dyan, ako po, ito na. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata kung saan papunta itong ni BBM. So itong mangyari, kabibig, ha. Hindi tayo, share ko sa inyo ha kung ano ang mangyari dyan. So after na ng after ng House Committee on Justice, mga kabibig, tuloy na yan sa House plenary vote. So boboto na ang mga kongresista kung yung impeachment process kabibig is must affirm for Senate referral, or kung may bigat ba, or kung ano ang laman, dyan na sila. 1/3 of all House members must affirm for Senate referral. Kung makuha na yung 1/3 na mag-yes, na yan? Impeachment trial in Senate. Senate has sole power to try and decide. 2/3 vote of all senators required to convict. Yun mga either guilty or not guilty. So, guilty, removal from office, permanent disqualification, and subject to further prosecution. So, yun ang mayari, kabibig. So, maghintay tayo sa mga processes. So, at kung ano ang update nito, later on, kasi malapit na. Kasi si BP Sara, meron na dalawang impeachment. So, I don't know kung saan ito a-action na ng Kongreso. Baka maghihintay pa sila ng more impeachment cases laban kay VP Sara.